Is there a wrong way to drink tea or matcha? Wrong way would be to steep it to where it gets bitter and you don't enjoy it. A lot of tea purists are gonna say, you have to make it this way, you have to do it this way. I would say get a temperature controlled water boiler. For matcha, you wanna use under 170, 175 and under. For white tea, you wanna go 185, for oolong 195. So the temperature is for sure, like if you oversteep your tea, you get that gnarly tannin, and you don't want to have bitterness to the point where it's not enjoyable. You bury it so much with so much sweetener that you can't actually taste it. What can happen is you end up drinking all the sugar and it's defeating the purpose of the organic tea itself. So here you're getting an organic, antioxidant, powerhouse, neuroprotective, rich cup of tea. But then if you're putting a bunch of stuff in it that's not organic, not natural, just to bury the flavor, you're not getting the benefit of the tea. So I would say don't steep it to get bitter. And then, but you don't want to put so much in it that you're not getting the health benefits. So it's kind of like, enjoy it, don't destroy it.